si tu m'envies, c'est que tu es dans peine. Laissez-moi vivre ma vie, oh, je veux vivre ma vie, oh. Il fait chaud dans sa caille, on sait pas quand on va mourir, oh. Laissez-moi vivre ma vie, oh, je veux vivre ma vie, oh. Il fait chaud dans sa caille, on sait pas quand on va mourir.
I hope you guys are doing wonderful, and as you saw on the thumbnail, today we're going to talk about BH Cosmetics. Just two products that I really thought were amazing to test out because there was so much buzz, so I had to come in and test it for you guys and let you know what's the tea on it, if it's really worth the hype. And so if you want to know more about it, please do stay tuned, as the timestamp will obviously be on screen as I'm about to introduce myself in French, and I'll see you guys soon. Salut à tous, aujourd'hui on va faire une revue sur deux produits de la marque qui s'appelle BH Cosmetics. C'est une ancienne compagnie, une compagnie vétéran, je veux dire. Ils sont en ligne, donc c'est un peu difficile de trouver leurs produits, mais je pense qu'ils ont aussi quelques produits maintenant chez Ulta Beauty. Ça dépend de ce qu'ils ont en stock, quoi. Ils n'ont pas tout, mais ils ont quelques. Et j'ai dû expliquer que quand moi j'ai fait le shopping là-bas, j'attends toujours quand ils ont les promos, les pourcentages off. J'attends aussi quand ils ont livraison gratuite. J'attends toujours aussi quand ils ont des produits gratuits, quoi, qui partagent. Comme par exemple avec cette commande-ci, j'ai eu une palette gratuite. Donc c'est très cool, c'est très bien. Renseignez-vous toujours avant de faire votre shopping. Deux fois ils ont les livraisons gratuites à 25 $, donc ça dépend de quand vous voulez faire votre shopping, mais c'est pas la course, on fait quand on peut, quand on est financièrement prêt. Aujourd'hui on va parler de deux produits. Je vais vous dire mon avis sur ces deux produits. Je vais juste vous parler de mon opinion sur ces deux produits, et comme toujours, si vous avez des questions, faites les commentaires sur la barre d'infos, et on se voit à la prochaine. Et on n'oublie pas de prier le bon Dieu. Voilà, merci. Mouah. Ciao. Bye. Hey guys, so we're just going to talk about the products. Like I said, I've done a couple of videos on BH Cosmetics. It's more of an online company. It is veteran, it's not new, it's just that it's not well known by some people because they're not available in stores. But I think as of last year it is available at ulta.com or in stores, but it's not everything, it's very limited. So if you want to do that, you can use your Ulta coupons to be able to save on that. But me, I like to shop on bhcosmetics.com when they have percentages off, also when they offer free products with your purchase, and as well as free shipping. It depends. Sometimes they have free shipping on 25, and sometimes they have free shipping on 50. So it all depends on how much I want to really test the product at that time. But usually I like to order at 25, and they always give you a free gift. So like for this order, I got 35% off, I got free shipping over 50, and I got a big palette that was free, and it's amazing. Like I said, always wait for sales to buy. And so today we're just gonna talk about this famous concealer, okay, by BH Cosmetics. I've heard so many people talk about it, say it was so good. It's very full coverage, very long lasting, very good for women of color, and the quality is amazing. So I was like, okay, they have a sale, let's try it. The color I have is 119, and it's called BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer, and that is just that right there. Very nice packaging, and as you open it, it's a little bit dirty because I've tested it for about a week. This color is almost like my skin tone, which I don't typically like because I like to highlight. I like to go 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, but they didn't have a shade lighter than this in stock. There's one shade before this that I wanted to try out, but they didn't have it in stock, and I didn't want to wait anymore. So I thought to myself, why not just test this out, and if I like it, when it comes back in stock, I can order it. And I must say, there's 2 concealers that I've come to find from the drugstores or affordable that are good. That is the NYX Total Coverage Concealer. So for now, I've been using this from the drugstore because it's so readily available with coupons and stuff like that. I love it. This has been amazing. Full coverage, long lasting, excellent quality, easy to blend. Wow. And then I came to find this one in the color 119, and oh my god, guys, it is amazing. Like I said, this is my skin tone, so it'll be good even to use as like a quick no makeup look. You put it under your eyes, you blend it out, set it with powder, and you're good. So this is a great product. You guys can see, okay, what it looks like on my skin tone right there. So it's a really nice golden color. So there you go. That's the color right there. When you blend that in, it definitely blends in with your skin tone. If you're my skin tone or lighter, it would work. Right now it looks a little bit orange, but it really does look nice on. So I definitely do recommend this. I think it was on sale for about like $5. So I mean, you cannot beat that price. This is an excellent product. Secondly and lastly is the Is My Ray Ray palette. Oh my god, I heard so many things about this palette that I thought, if I don't buy this palette, I don't know what would happen. Just so many positive reviews, and I actually think this palette, so let me see, that's the packaging on the inside, and this one is just the outer packaging. I'll have the prices listed for both products, and it just opens up like that. You have your contour and highlight shades, you have your eyeshadows here, which are great tones, can be used for almost all skin tones, and then you get a large mirror. This palette right here is so comprehensive. I've used almost all the matte shades except for this white one, and on my eyes today I actually used this palette to contour and highlight. As you see right here, can you guys see the highlight and the contour? It's so beautiful. Oh my god, like I can't tell you how great this palette is. It is just a great one for beginners, as a makeup kit, as a veteran in makeup. It's so comprehensive, even at a full price. I was amazed by the quality. Like, I've had bad luck with BH Cosmetics eyeshadows. I don't know if it's just because I didn't buy the right palette, so I was really skeptical. But I've literally used this under my eyes. It was gorgeous. This is perfect for me to contour. This is too dark, so I mix it together. It might work. I've used these alone, and together it's just amazing. Today I mixed them and it looks gorgeous. This might be a little bit too white, but I think I might make it work if I mix it. These matte shades, I haven't used every single one, but I've used almost everything on this row so far, and then these two up, and then these three right here, and four, except for that, pretty much everything. I cannot put this palette down. When I can use almost everything in the palette, it's a must-have. Like, I had to come in and tell you guys how amazing. Even at the full price, I will buy this 2 times over. I don't think there was enough advertisement on this palette. It's just so good. It's good for traveling because you get everything here. You don't have to bring much with you. Blends well. There's hardly any fallout. And I mean, I'm definitely gonna swatch these for you guys so you guys can see the pigmentation and all that stuff, but I'm definitely going to try to swatch as much as I can for you guys at the end of the video so you guys can see how beautiful it is. But this palette is so nice, and you also have your names at the top of the palette. It's just wow. Like, what more can you ask for? You get, it's just, I don't know. I just think it's so amazing. Again, I'll have the links for everything down below. If you guys do try it, let me know. I also will have a demo here quickly of how I'm applying the shadows so you guys can see how it works. I'm not a makeup artist. I just do my best to show you as much as I can. So I try to do a little bit like a mini tutorial, or some people call it show and tell. Some people might call it get ready with me, but it's not. It's just me showing you how I apply these shadows. And it looks gorgeous. So on my eye today, I have this one, and I have these two in the crease right here, so it just blends in pretty well. So I really, this is a palette I will always keep. I'm sure it will go out of stock, but if it doesn't and this like runs out, I will buy it again, even at a full price, because it's just that good. The only problem with this is that things will transfer. They've done their best to make it so that when you do close it, you can go as such and then go as such, so they don't interfere. But I found that the ends of it tend to poke into the product if you don't close it right, or if you're a little bit messy. For instance, like the edges of this kind of like poked right here, definitely poked right here, so it's kind of falling apart. So just be careful when you're closing it and make sure that you're closing it right. But other than that, this is amazing. Packaging is beautiful. I just love it. Let me know if you like this palette, if you will try it. Again, only buy it at a discount. So let me know if you are interested, or if you have tried this palette. I think it's gorgeous. And The concealer is phenomenal. I will try that. I will buy the lighter shade when it comes in stock because I just think it's that good. Like I said, the NYX one in the color Deep is my skin tone actually, because this is waterproof, sweat proof, so definitely keep that in mind. It's a great product. I hope it doesn't get discontinued because I've seen Ulta mark these down a couple of times, and usually when they do that, it means that it's going to be discontinued or not carried in the store. So if that's the case, I'm gonna go buy a couple more because I have one on backup already, but I can get like 2 or 3 more on backup because they're just that great. This has a 24-month lifespan once you open it. That's like the most I've seen in makeup products so far, so pretty good. I've been so impressed with NYX products and I'm just amazed. Yeah, so there you go. Yeah, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I do my best to give you the best for less at an affordable price and with quantity. So thank you so much. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys soon. And of course, don't forget to always praise God and leave me a comment if you do try out these products, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Ciao, bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you